So Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Adib Afham. Today I would like to present my slide of assignment 1, computer programming. So first, I choose question 1 for problem A1, which is MATLAB as calculator. So first, my question is 13.5 power of 2 plus 7.2 the power of 2 divided by 4.3 the power of 2 plus bracket 49 divided by square root 3 plus 15, and the answer is 228.3438. And the next, 16.2 the power of 2 multiply with bracket 8.2 minus square root 72 close bracket divided by 4.6 the power of 2 plus 16.8, and the answer I got is 16.9825. Next, open bracket 2.6 the power of 3 multiply with open bracket 17 minus 216 divided by 25 close bracket, and divided with 1.9 the power of 2 plus 15 close bracket, and plus with square root 4 of 2000, and the answer is 14.5829. And then lastly, sine 7.7 multiply with pi divided by 8 close bracket, and divided with cos 5 pi divided by 7 plus with 1 per 6 multiply with tan 6 pi divided by 11, and the answer is negative 0.1748. Next question. The question 2 is, the information is given is A is equal to 13, B is equal to 4.5, C is equal to 3.5, multiply with open bracket B divided with A close bracket. D is equal to A multiply with B and multiply with C divided with open bracket A plus C close bracket. Next, A multiply with open bracket B divided with C plus D close bracket plus D multiply with A divided with B times C minus A minus B the power of 2 and multiply with C plus D. The answer is 66.2697. Next, the question given is square root A the power of 2 plus B the power of 2 divided with D minus C plus log B minus A plus open bracket C minus D, and the answer is 6.1512 plus 3.1416. So the next subtopic is problem A2, which is creating and modifying an array. So first question is A open bracket 5 is equal to 7. So at the command window will show the variable A is equal to a row of vector which are 0, 0, 0, 0 and 7. Next question. The question needs us to find the row of vector with variable name B with 8 elements such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So first step, we need to enter the variable B in the command window of the element of 1 until 5, 4, 3 and 2, and the answer is the variable b is equal to a row of vector which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So for the next subtopic, which is problem A3, matrix operation and manipulation. For the question first, x is equal to the variable of x is equal to -3 until 3, and the equation given is y is equal to x the power of 3 minus 4x the power of 2 plus with 2x minus 6, and the answer of y with the all x given is first -75, -34, -13, -6, -7, -10, and the last is which is x is equal to 3, and the answer we got is -9. The next question is we need to solve the following system of linear equation. First, the linear equation that we given is 5x plus y minus with yz is equal to 3, 3x minus 2y plus 5z is equal to 8, and -4x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 5. First step, we need to key in the row of vector A, which is 5, 1 and -2, semicolon, 3, -2 and 5, semicolon, 4, -4, 2 and 3. Next, the variable b we need to put in, which are the element 3, 8 and 5. So how to solve this question to get the value of x, y and z? We need to make an equation as a variable x. So from the upper of the a divided with b, and the answer for x is 0.9429, y is 1.7714, and z is 1.7429. So for the next subtopic, which is problem A4, script file. The question needs us to write script file for the following problem. So the question that I choose is question 1, which is we need to find the radius of sphere that has the same surface area as the cube. So first, I input the value of cube side, which is L. So we need to enter the cube side dimension. Next, the formula to find the radius of sphere, which is square root 3L the power of 2 divided with 2 pi. So we need to display the radius of sphere that has the same surface area as the cube is. So we know the cube has 6 dimensions, so 6 remain the value of L. Lastly, the radius of a sphere that has the same surface area as the cube is 4.1459. Next, we need to find the radius of a sphere that has the same volume as the cube. This question is similar with the 1A. We just need to input the L value, which is the cube's side dimension. Next, we need to key in the formula to find the value of radius of sphere. The formula is quite similar, but it is different, which is the formula is square root of 4 3L power of 3 divided with 4 pi. Next, we need to display the radius of sphere that has the same volume as the cube. We know the side dimension cube is 6 is equal to L. The answer that I got is 3.7221. Remain the radius of sphere that has the same volume as the cube. So for the next question, the question needs us to find the length of each side of the diagonals, the perimeter, and the area of the polygon. First, I input all 4 coordinates of the polygon, which is S1, Y1, and so on. And the next, I input the formula length of the sides, as shown in the figure. Next, I input the formula length of the diagonal, D1 and D2. Next, I input the perimeter, which is sum of the 4 sides, to find the all length, which is P is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 and plus S4. Next, I input the formula to find the area of the polygon. It will display the side of a diagonal after we run the section. First, I enter all the coordinate of the polygon, which is S1, Y1, S2, Y2 until S4 and Y4. After I run the section, we got the answer, which is the length of side and diagonal, which are 3.162, 2.236, 2.55, 3.606, 3.808. The perimeter of polygon is 10.497 and the area of the polygon is 6.75. For the last question of problem A5, which is simple to deploy. Question first, we need to plot the graph using this method. First, the variable of x is given 3 until 5. I put the 0.01 to make the graph easy to read. Next, I input the equation of y, which is x plus power of 2 divided with 4 plus 3 x power of 2. Lastly, I input the command plot xy. So next, I run the section and it will show the graph as the figure. So next, we need to plot two plot in the same graph with the equation of y. The variable of x is given in the equation. So first, I enter the s1, which is the variable is the first variable, which is 0 to 3. S2 is 8 until 50. I put the 0.01 to make the graph is easy. So next, I input the equation for y1 and y2. And next, I enter the plot s1 and y1. I make the graph for s1 and y1 is red, while the s2 and y2 is green. Too easy for us to read the graph. So after I run the section, we got the graph shown in the figure.